What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt, and this is Tia. What up, Tia? You come here often? So, we're out here autocrossing at a NEPA event. I can say NEPA, so yeah. Currently, I sit in first, and Tia sits in second in points after 2 events. Today, there's a lot of new competitors in our class. Some that I know, they're very fast. But this is a big course. We're at the Mohegan Sun Arena where they play hockey, and it's a big course, fast, which helps us because we got a lot of power, so we like to go fast. Zoom zoom. So stay tuned. We're off first and run second and then work, so we get 3 runs in the morning, 3 runs in the afternoon, and hopefully we take first again. We kick butt and take names, and we put a bigger lead on guys. That's what we do, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah. So Tia, what's your goal today?
To beat you.
Yeah, that's always her goal. That's not fair. I help her, but okay, you can try to beat me. My goal is to obviously take first, but also just improve. Try to get better every single run and not have one spin out today, because I have a tendency of spinning out at least once. So try not to do that. And of course, come in first, but get better each run. Feel like I'm making each run better and better, and getting a better line each time, I would say. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, improve each run.
Right.
Yeah.
So she has a simple goal, just be lead, and I have like complex goals. So stay tuned. All right, stay tuned, and hopefully you like this video, you watch the autocrossing, and you come out and join. Pretty much you can come out in your daily driver, have a good time, and then get a feel for it, and then get more competitive after that with tires and stuff. So all you need is a helmet, and most of the time you can borrow one. So watch our runs, see what we're going to check back after each run and talk about each run. So hopefully we like the style, and the video comes out a little bit better. Hopefully. We'll see. You had to go left there. Just go this way now. You got it. We're driving right at that pole. How hard you were driving, but
So where did I miss it?
you were supposed to go left. You were going right at a pole. You literally almost ran into a pole. So after round 1, I'm not sitting very good. I don't know, like third, second, I don't know. Tia went off course, almost ran into a telephone pole, going full steam. Thanks, Tia. Appreciate that. Look at those cheeks. Ooh, Dave. Ooh, you got some chestnuts in there or something?
My helmet is too small.
So, okay, second round hopefully goes better. Right, Tia?
Yeah, hopefully I can stay on course.
Yeah,
I don't even know where I went off.
I almost went off course, but I
At
saved
the same
it.
place?
No, before that. But then I saved it, but that killed my time. So that's really what killed my time. So we're gonna come out here and we're gonna crush these guys this time. We're gonna put a lead so far up them. They're gonna be so stressed they're gonna spin out. Struggle. That's what our plan is. That's right? That's what we do.
Okay.
We bring it. Or we could let them keep their confidence up and then we take it the last run and just crush it. Crush their confidence. The problem is we're a two-driver car, and I always have to go first. So I can't wait until what these guys run to see what I really have to go all out and beat. I just need to go all out and not do that anyways, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Stay tuned for the next runs. Too. All right, second round went almost as bad as first. I hate these fucking paddle shifters. I touched it, shifted it into 6, then it doesn't shift back for a few minutes. I don't know if I can get different paddles that are smaller that you can't touch. I don't know, maybe I can turn that off. I don't know, hopefully somebody watches. Nobody watches the video, so nobody watching is gonna be able to tell me anyways. Tia almost spun out, but she had a great save. And she still almost beat me. What the fuck?
I'm still in last place though. But I didn't go off course, so.
Yeah, it was a great save.
And I hit one kill.
So, last run. Whatever. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I know we've been posting a lot of autocross content, but it's what we've been doing a lot, and we like to do it, so we're going to keep posting videos. Hopefully somebody likes it and somebody watches. We are going to be drag racing here pretty shortly. We have a big announcement coming for the channel, for upcoming events, so you better stay tuned for that. But in today's video, after racing 6 times and riding with Tia 6 times, realized that the G-Trac brace that we put on was causing us to have problems steering the car. It was really great in the slalom, awesome, super fast, fastest we've ever been. But then after that, the turns, we were really pushing. So stay tuned to see how we fix that. So if you're like us, and maybe we didn't win today and beat everybody, but we're working on it. Did we have fun? Tia has fun. I don't really have that much fun if I don't win. It's not that much fun losing to me. I can't help it. We got to stay on track doing the videos after each run, because to me it's a lot more entertaining. I like that stuff. But we always get caught up in just racing. Sometimes you don't have as much time. We need to just do it. It comes out a lot better when we do that. So stay tuned. We got more racing videos. We got lots of cool stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of the awesome updates. And if you're like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to link a couple videos. Well, I'm going to link a video on this side right here, right under the S550 that you probably will like. And I'm going to link a playlist for something similar to what you just watched right here. Please click one of those. Click that subscribe button, because we need as many subscribers as possible to keep bringing you this awesome content. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more action.